In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Footlocker promo code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Google. Now in the Google search bar, type in Footlocker promo codes. And then we're brought to Google search results here. And if we scroll down, you'll see a few third-party sites offering promo codes. So we've got couponfollow.com offering 10% off. We got Groupon, we got Real Tell Me Not, even got Lifehacker and Frugal Feeds. One I like to use and I go to is Couponfollow. They seem to have the most active promo codes that work. And so when we at Couponfollow, to activate any one of these codes, just simply click onto it. So if I want to get 15% off orders over $99, click on show coupon code, click copy, and then we're going to paste this code at the checkout section of Footlocker to activate that 15% off. And a good thing about this site, if we scroll down, you can see previous offers as well, which is a good thing. So all the ones that are grayed out are previous offers. Then you can get a gist of what they might be offering in the future as well, because these promo codes do tend to expire and they also change every daily, weekly, or monthly. So yeah, just come back at later dates and see if you can find bigger discounts. And on the right hand side, they've got coupon highlights, so they'll show us the best discount, so which is 40% off, and they show how many active coupon codes they got on their site. It's 20, total offers 22, and average savings of $27.45 of the time of this recording.